I'm getting better and better. By the day, I feel good. My name is Msonda Charity Chipidi. I come from Zambia. So in January of 2025 last year, I was diagnosed with rheumatic heart disease. So there's a friend, an Indian doctor friend he has, who recommended him to tell me to come to MGM Hospital and recommended Dr. Sanjay. We arrived on the 30th of April and we were picked by the MGM team of Malar, and then we were told that on Monday I'll be admitted. Tuesday, like they said, I went into surgery and came out of surgery. My chest was being worked on, my heart was worked on. I'm getting better and better. By the day, I feel good. So today in the morning, I sneezed without difficulties, no pain. Dr. Sanjay and team, thank you for the passion, the care, and the love that you have, that you exhibit to your patients, especially for me. I felt very safe. We were comfortable and we were looked after. Thank you. Natotela sana. Thank you so much.